Today we are going to start revision number 2 of chapter number 4, quadratic equations. Okay, and we have already completed all the topics, and today we are going to cover word problems based on NCERT. As already situational problems and word problems has been deleted, it is mentioned in the deleted syllabus published by CBSE, but one question is there in the basics CBSE sample paper, that motorboat question. So my personal advice is to complete all the questions, or at least NCERT questions you must complete to the safer side. Okay, so we'll start with exercise 4.2, second question. First question is not a word problem. Second question, represent the following situation mathematically and then solve them. This is an example question, and it is given that in the question that find out, solve the equations found in the example number 1, I think number 1. Okay, so John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124 after losing 5 marbles each. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So we'll take the given that John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. So let us take the number of marbles with John be x. So what is the number of marbles with Jivanti?
45 minus x.
Right, 45 minus x. Now in the question it is given that both of them lost 5 marbles. So इसमें से क्या करेंगे हम लोग 5 marbles minus करेंगे. So John के पास हो जाएगा x minus 5, and what is the number of marbles with Jivanti?
40 minus
40
x.
minus x. Okay, fine. So number of marbles with John is 8x minus 5, and with Jivanti 40 minus x. Now the product is given 124. So the product of these two, that is x minus 5 and 40 minus x, is 124. Now we'll multiply these two. So after multiplication we'll get 40x minus x square minus 200 plus 5x is equals to 124. Okay, 124 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो minus 124 हो जाएगा. Now we'll add these two, minus 324. अब यहाँ से हम लोग को माइनस कॉमन यहाँ से निकालना है, तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? माइनस, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई -1 टू ऑल द टर्म्स. सो विल गेट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 45x प्लस 324 is equals to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So now what is the product here?
Plus 324.
Right, plus 324. And what is the sum?
Minus
45.
Minus 45. So we have to split 324 into two factors such that their sum is 45. So we'll get 36 and 9. अब क्योंकि दोनों का साइन सेम होना चाहिए, सो दोनों या तो प्लस होगा या तो माइनस होगा. तो क्योंकि सम का जो साइन है वही यहाँ पे रखना है हम लोग को, तो दोनों माइनस होगा. सो विल गेट माइनस 36 माइनस 9. So we'll replace minus 45x by minus 36x minus 9x. Okay. Now what is the common between these two?
x.
X. और इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन है?
9.
Minus 9.
Nine.
Okay. If we take minus 9 common, we'll get x minus 36, and here also x into x minus 36. अब दोनों में x minus 36 common है. So we'll take x minus 36 common. Okay. Now we have to equate both factor with 0. So after equating we'll get 36 and 9. Okay. When John has 36 marbles, Jivanti has, that is 45 minus x, 9 marbles. This is the first answer. And when John has 9 marbles, how much Jivanti has?
36.
36, right. So this is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards the second question, second bit of the same question number 2. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. So first we will take the let the number of toys produced on that day is X. Okay, and here it is given that the cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So the cost of production will be equals to 55 minus X. Okay, and what will be the total production?
X into 55 minus X.
Right, X into 55 minus X, and that is equals to 750. Now we'll form a quadratic equation from this. Open the bracket, 55x minus x square is equals to 370, 750. We'll shift this to this side. So x square minus 55x plus 750 is equals to 0 होगा अगर ये दोनों इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो, ठीक है. अगर ये इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो माइनस 750 हो जाएगा, बट अगेन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस आ रहा है तो हम लोग को माइनस रिमूव करना है. So what we will do? We will multiply both sides by minus 1. So finally we got the quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So what is product here? Plus 750.
750
And the sum is
minus 55.
minus 55. Now as product is positive, we have to split 750 into two factors such that their sum is 55. Split करो जल्दी से. $30 and $25. Okay, 30 or 25, and both will be minus as the sign of sum is minus. So we'll replace minus 55x by minus 30x minus 25x. So what is common between these two?
X.
और ये दोनों में क्या कॉमन है? minus 30.
Minus 30.
Okay, so we'll take common. अब ये दोनों में क्या common factor है? What is the common factor
X
between
minus
these two?
25.
Right. If we
Minus
take x
25.
minus 25, we'll get x minus 30. Now, if you solve this, we'll get two values. Okay, we'll get x is equals to 25 and x is equals to 30. Right. Now, hence the number of toys will be either 25 or 30. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards question number 5. Okay, only word problems मैं ले रहा हूँ. So question number 5, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. अगर base को हम लोग x लेंगे, so altitude क्या होगा? x minus 7. And hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Find the other two sides. So hypotenuse is given 13 centimeter. Let the base be x. So altitude will be x minus 7. So this is the figure. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. So if you apply Pythagoras theorem, what you will get?
13 square is equals to x minus 7 whole square plus x square.
Okay, first you have to write in terms of sides. That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Your answer is correct. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So now we'll substitute all the values. AC is 13, this is x minus 7 and this is x. Okay, so फिर इसको open कर लो. So 169 is equals to x square plus x square minus 14x plus 49. Okay, this is BC square and this is AB square. So x square plus x square will become 2x square, and in the same step you can shift to 169 to this side. So if you shift 169 to this side, it will become minus 169 and that will become minus 120. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now divide all the terms by 2. What you will get?
Square minus
X
7x
square
X square minus 7x minus
60. Okay, minus 60 is equals to 0. Now what is the product here?
Minus 60.
minus 60
Right, minus 60. And what is the sum?
minus 7.
Minus 7. Now product is 60, so we have to find two factors such that their difference is 7.
12 and 5.
Right, very good. 12 and 5. और जो sum का sign है वो बड़े number पे लगा दो, and other will be opposite sign. So minus 12 plus 5. Now what is the common between these two?
X.
और इन दोनों
X.
में
5.
5,
Five.
right. So and now what is the common factor between these two?
X
X
minus
minus
12.
X minus 12. So if you take x minus 12 common, you'll get two factors. Then you have to equate with 0 and find the value of x. So what values you are getting?
X
X
equals
minus
12.
12 and X equals minus 5.
Okay. So we'll get x minus 12 is equals to 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Final answer x is equals to 12 or x is equals to minus 5. Now we have to reject x is equals to minus 5. Why?
Because length cannot be
Length is not
negative.
negative.
Yes, the length of side cannot be negative. So since side should not be negative, hence ignoring, you are rejecting x is equals to minus 5, we get x is equals to 12. So base of the triangle is 12 and height of the triangle is, that is 12 minus 7, 5 centimeter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now we'll move towards question number 6, the last question of that second exercise. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than means plus 3, twice the number of articles. If you take number of articles x, twice the number of articles will become 2x, more than 3 plus 3. So 2x plus 3. Now if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So let the number of articles be x. So what will be the cost of production of each article? 3 more than twice of x.
3 plus 2x.
Okay, very good. 2x plus 3 will write. And what is the total production? X into 2x plus 3, and that is equals to what?
90.
90, right. So total cost of production in a day is equals to 90. So therefore x into 2x plus 3 is equals to 90. So now we'll form quadratic equation from this, then we will solve. Okay, so यहाँ पे मिल रहा है 2x square plus 3x, and if you shift 90 to this side, it will become minus 90. Now what is the product here?
Minus 180.
Minus 180. ये दोनों को इंटू करना है. Okay, what is the sum?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Now product is 180, so we have to find two factors of 180 such that its difference is 3. 15 and 12. Okay, and sum का sign बड़े number पे लगाना है, and the other number sign is alternate, that is minus sign, opposite sign. हो गया. Plus 15x minus 12x will split. So what is the common between these two?
X.
X. And here 6 minus
3.
6 minus 6. So if you take minus 6 common, you will get 2x plus 15. Here also 2x plus 15. So we'll take 2x plus 15 common. So what is the final answer? X.
X is equal to
X
6
equals to
and minus 15 by 2.
Right, minus 15 by 2, or x is equals to 6. Okay, and what is x here? Number of articles, and it should be a natural number. Okay, fraction में भी नहीं हो सकता और negative भी नहीं हो सकता, right? So we have to reject this one. So hence the number of articles is equals to 6. Why? Because number of articles should be a natural number. Any doubt? And cost of each article we have to find. What is the cost of each article? 2x plus 3. That is 2 into 6 plus 3. कितना आ रहा है?
15.
15.
Right.
15.
12 plus 3, that is rupees 15. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now second exercise is over. Now we are moving towards examples. I have taken example questions also. Okay, this is example number 12. Very good example and very important also. बोर्ड एग्जाम में काफ़ी बार आ चुका है, बट क्योंकि सिलेबस में डिलीटेड मेंशन है, सो आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम विल कम और नॉट, क्योंकि सीबीएसई का सैम्पल पेपर बेसिक वाले में दे दिया एक वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. So a rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. 3 meter less than its length. Its area is to be 4 square meters more than the area of a park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with its base as the breadth of the rectangular park and of altitude 12 meter. So this is 12 meter. See this figure. Find its length and breadth. Okay. So ये जो rectangle का जो area है वो इससे ज़्यादा है, कितना? 4 meter square. So we have to find the area of both the figures. So let us start with the first one. Let the breadth be x. So what will be the length? Because it is given that breadth is 3 meter less than its length. Breadth length से 3 meter छोटा है. So if we take breadth x, its length will be x plus 3. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे हम लोग अगर लेंथ को x लेंगे तो breadth x minus 3 होगा, क्योंकि माइनस साइन will always create some problem with respect to mistake, calculation mistake. That is why to avoid that minus, we took breadth as x and length will be x plus 3. Okay, so what is the area of rectangle?
X plus 3 into x.
Length into breadth. Okay, so that is x into x plus 3, will get x square plus 3x meter square. Now what is the area of isosceles triangle?
12 into x.
Half
No,
into 12.
half into base into height. So base is x and height is 12. So हो जाएगा half into x into 12. So finally,
6x.
very good. So now base of the isosceles triangle is x meter. So area, its area is equals to 6 meter square. Now in the question it is mentioned that the area of rectangular park is 4 square meters more than the area of that park which is in the shape of isosceles triangle. So what you will get?
6x plus 4 is equal to x square plus 3x.
Very good. X square plus 3x is equals to 6x plus 4. Now we'll shift this, both of this to this side. So we'll get x square minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now 4 को split करना है such that the difference will be 3. So it is very easy. 4 and 1 will be there. So बड़े नंबर पे सम का साइन लगाना, that is minus 3. Okay. अगर हम लोग प्रोडक्ट सम फैक्टर्स को देखेंगे, p is minus 4 and sum is minus 3. So we'll get two factors, that is 4 and 1 whose difference is 3. So sum का साइन बड़े नंबर पे और दूसरा opposite sign, right? So we'll get minus 4 plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now what is the common between these two?
X.
और यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, so 1
One.
लिखेंगे या छोड़ दो. So finally we'll get two factors, that is x minus 4 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now if we equate both with 0, we'll get x is equals to 4 and x is equals to minus 1. But we have to reject x is equals to minus 1. Why?
So because it is a length and it cannot be negative.
Very good. So x is equals to, but x should not be equals to minus 1, since length of side is always positive. It can't be negative. So therefore x is equals to 4. So breadth is x, that is 4, and the length will be 4 plus 3, that is 7. So the breadth of the park is 4 meter and its length will be 7 meter. Any doubt in this question? Any doubt in
Sir.
this question?
Sir.
Now see, if you go through the questions, wait, I will show you in your textbook also. The same question I am going to show you. See, this is the question. Okay, and here quadratic formula method has been used. Quadratic formula method has been used. So, but my suggestion is that whenever you will solve, and if splitting of middle term is easy, so use factorization method. Is that clear? Okay, so now we'll move toward the next. Now this question was in is in CBSE sample paper basic, which was published by CBSE. Sample paper basic वाले में है ये, मैथ्स के बेसिक एग्जाम के सैम्पल पेपर में है, and this was very important also till last year. बहुत बार बोर्ड एग्जाम में आ चुका है. So a motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. क्वेश्चन क्लियर है? 24 किलोमीटर अपस्ट्रीम में जा रहा है और वापस आ रहा है डाउनस्ट्रीम में, एंड we have to find the speed of the stream. So let the speed of the stream be x किलोमीटर. ध्यान से सुनो, अगर हम बोट का स्पीड है 18, अगर स्ट्रीम का x होगा, and when we are going to move towards in the direction of downstream, तो वो फास्ट होगा कि स्लो होगा?
फास्ट.
क्यों? क्योंकि स्ट्रीम का जो स्पीड है उसमें ऐड हो जाएगा. एंड द सेम व्हेन वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स अपस्ट्रीम, द स्पीड ऑफ द बोट विल बी डिक्रीज, स्लो हो जाएगा वो, इट विल टेक मोर टाइम. ओके, सो उस केसेस में 18 माइनस x होगा. सो लेट x किलोमीटर पर आवर बी द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम. Speed of the boat in upstream is 18 minus x kilometer per hour, and speed of the boat downstream is 18 plus x kilometer per hour. 18 minus x, 18 plus x. अब यहाँ पे बच्चे क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं मैं बता रहा हूँ. They will write x minus 18, and here they will write x plus 18, क्योंकि x स्टार्टिंग में लिखने का आदत है. सो लोग ऐसा लिख देते हैं x माइनस 18. दिस इज वेरी कॉमन मिस्टेक. सो हमेशा एक दिमाग में फिक्स कर लो कि मोटर बोट का स्पीड पहले लिखना है, वेदर यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ मोटर बोट और यू हैव टू फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द स्ट्रीम. यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड दैट स्पीड ऑफ बोट यू हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट. क्लियर है? सो इफ यू फॉलो दैट रूल you will not commit this mistake. Okay, fine. Now what is the formula for time if distance and speed is given? Formula of time,
Distance by time.
distance upon speed, right? So distance is given 24 kilometer, okay, and speed for upstream is 18 minus x. So what is the time for this upstream? For upstream,
24 by 18 minus x.
very good. For downstream,
24 by 18 plus x.
very good. So we'll write first time taken for going upstream 24 upon 18 minus x hours, because time is equals to distance upon speed, and time taken for going downstream is 24 upon 18 plus x hours. So time किस में ज़्यादा लग रहा है? Upstream में, right? And how much? 1
hour.
Right. So if you subtract these two, you will get 1. So according to question, 24 upon 18 minus x minus 24 upon 18 plus x is equals to 1. अब यहाँ पर one more common mistake. कुछ बच्चे इसको पहले लिख देते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे पहले ये वाला दिख गया तो उसको पहले लिख दिए, राइट। तो उसमें एक दो पॉइंट मैं बता रहा हूँ, अपस्ट्रीम में ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, सो इसको पहले लिखो, दैट इज द वन कॉन्सेप्ट। सेकेंड कॉन्सेप्ट, जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है उसको पहले लिखो, whose denominator is smaller here, whose denominator is smaller, 18 minus x छोटा है कि 18 plus x छोटा है?
18 minus
Okay, तो इसको पहले लिखो। अगर ये दो क्लू दिमाग में रखोगे तो मिस्टेक नहीं होगा। ओके, सो एग्जाम में क्योंकि सब लोग टेंशन में रहते हैं तो ये नॉर्मल है, अच्छे अच्छे बच्चे भी मिस्टेक करते हैं, सो इसको पहले लिख देते हैं, सो वो मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट। नाउ वी हैव टू टेक एलसीएम। नाउ हियर आल्सो यू कैन टेक 24 कॉमन एंड यू कैन टेक एलसीएम, और डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू द डायरेक्ट वन। सो 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x upon 18 square minus x square, and that these two I will shift here. Any doubt in this step? Now open this bracket, ये दोनों bracket open करो। So we'll get 432 plus 24x minus 432, this will become plus because of this minus sign. So after that is equals to this side 324 minus x square, this two will be cancelled and we'll get 24 plus 24 48 x, okay, and we'll shift this to this side। फिर से देख लो, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया, ये 48x हो गया और ये दोनों को हम लोग इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, सो साइन विल चेंज, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 324 हो जाएगा। So finally we'll get x square plus 48x minus 324 is equals to 0. Any doubt in this question up to here?
No, sir.
Now we have to solve this equation. So we'll take that factorization method क्योंकि easily हम लोग इसको split कर सकते हैं। So what is the product here?
324.
Minus 324. Okay, and the sum is
Plus 48.
plus 48. So we have to factorize, we have to split 324 into two factors such that their difference is 48। ठीक है, अभी मान लो मिल नहीं रहा है तो इसको हम लोग किससे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? पहले यू कैन डिवाइड इट बाय 6, 6 से डिवाइड करो 54, फर्दर यू कैन डिवाइड इट बाय 6 9। ठीक है, वैसे इन दोनों मुझे यहीं पे मिल गया, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस 48 है। सो व्हाट आर द नंबर्स?
6 and 54.
राइट। सो सम का जो साइन है बड़े नंबर पे और दूसरा जो नंबर है ऑपोजिट साइन, सो प्लस 54 माइनस 6। सो व्हाट इज द कॉमन बिटवीन दिस टू?
X.
और इसमें minus 6. So finally we get two factors, x plus 54 into x minus 6 is equals to 0. And what are the value of x, final value?
Minus 54 and plus 6.
Yes, minus 54 plus 6. And we have to reject this value. Why?
Because speed cannot be negative.
Very good. So thus x is equals to 6 since speed can't be negative. Hence the speed of the stream is 6 km/h. Okay, now in textbook it is given, it is solved by using quadratic formula. So quadratic formula में फिर ये 48 का स्क्वायर निकालो, फिर प्लस 1296 के साथ ऐड करो, अगेन यू हैव टू टेक स्क्वायर रूट। सो थोड़ा बहुत एक्सरसाइज है। So दोनों में से I will suggest factorization method if splitting is easy. Clear? So now we'll move towards the last exercise, that is exercise 4.3, and these are the word problems. Question number 4 से question number 11 तक है, पूरा मैं complete कर रहा हूँ। Okay, one by one. So let us start with the question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Suppose the present age is x. What is his age 3 years ago?
X minus
X
3.
minus 3.
Right. And 3 years from now?
X plus
X
5.
plus
Plus 3.
Okay, very good. So let the present age of Rahman is equals to x years. So 3 years ago his age will be x minus 3 and 5 years from now his age will be x plus 5. Now according to the question, the sum of the reciprocal of these two is 1 by 3. So we'll write according to the question 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1 by 3. Now we'll take LCM here. यहाँ पे LCM लेंगे. So x plus 5 इधर आ जाएगा और x minus 3 इधर आ जाएगा. Okay, and this will become 2x plus 2. Okay, after that you have to do cross multiplication. So 3 into 2x plus 2, x minus 3 into x plus 5. Now open this bracket and multiply these two. So we'll get 6x plus 6 is equals to x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, now you can do the shifting this two to this side. ये एक तरीका हो गया. या क्या कर सकते हैं, ये पूरा तीनों की तीनों यहाँ शिफ्ट करके फिर -1 इंटू करो. So there are two ways for shifting. So what we will do, we will shift this to this side first. देखो ध्यान से, ये दोनों यहाँ शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. So -6x हो जाएगा और -6. So +2 -6 कितना होगा?
-4.
Right, -15 -6
Minus 20.
-20. So x square minus 4x minus 21 is equals to 0. Now the product is -21 and the sum is -4. So 21 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 4 होना चाहिए. 21
7 and 3.
वेरी
7
गुड,
and 3.
7 और 3. सो सम का जो साइन है बड़े नंबर पे लगा देंगे, दूसरा वाला ऑपोजिट साइन. सो -3x 7x plus 3x. So what is the common between these two?
X.
X.
और ये दोनों में?
3.
3.
Okay, plus 3. Right. So now what is the common factor between these two?
X minus
X minus 7.
ठीक है, दो फैक्टर मिल गया. So either x minus 7 is equals to 0 or x plus 3 is equals to 0. So we'll get two answers, 7 and -3. Now here we have to neglect -3. Why?
Because age cannot be negative.
Right. Rejecting x is equals to -3 since age cannot be negative. So that will imply Rahman's present age is equals to 7 years. Any doubt in this question? Jaldi.
No, sir.
Okay. So next fifth question. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. Okay, so we'll start with x. Maths में x लेते हैं और English में y लेते हैं. So I'm going to take two variables. So what is the sum of these two is given in the question?
30.
30. Right. So x plus y is equals to 30. Again, if she got 2 marks more in maths, 2 marks more in maths, that means x plus 2. And 3 marks less in English, that means y minus 3. The product of their marks would have been 210. So we'll get x plus 2 into y minus 3 is equals to 210. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let it be equation number 1 and 2. Now from 1 and 2, we can write y is equals to 30 minus x and substitute here in place of y. So it will become 27 minus x. Now simplify this one and form the quadratic equation. So पहले इन दोनों को इंटू कर लेते हैं. इंटू करने के बाद 210 लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट करेंगे. So 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x. If you subtract these two, you will get 25x. Okay, 25x. Minus x square plus 54 is equals to 210. ये पूरा का पूरा इस तरफ शिफ्ट कर सकते हो या 210 को इधर शिफ्ट कर दो. So final answer will be x square minus 25x plus 156 is equals to 0. अब इसको हम लोग को फैक्टराइज करना है. So what is product here?
Plus 156.
Right. Product is 150 plus 156 and sum is
Minus 25. Minus 25.
yes minus 25 and क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है इसलिए 156 का दो फैक्टर जिसका टोटल 25 होना चाहिए. So 13 and 12 and both will be minus. Why? Because sum is minus. Okay, so we are going to split minus 25x as minus 12 minus 13. Now what is the common between these two?
X.
और इन दोनों में
13.
minus 13. Okay, so finally we will get two factors, x minus 13 into x minus 12 is equals to 0. Okay, और फिर इसको इक्वेट करेंगे 0 के साथ में तो हम लोग को दो वैल्यू मिल जाएगा 12 और 13. अगर x is equals to 12 है तो y कितना होगा? 17. If x is equals to 13 होगा तो y is equals to 17 होगा. If x is equals to 12, y will be 18. Right? 30 minus x. 30 minus x. So when x is equals to 13, y is equals to 17, and when x is equals to 12, y is equals to 18. Hence, marks in maths are 13 and in English 17, or marks in mathematics are 12 and in English 18. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards sixth question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So let the shorter side is x. So diagonal हो जाएगा x plus 16. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, that is x plus 30, find the sides of the field. So diagram is clear. Let shorter side of rectangle is equals to x meter. Then longer side will be x plus 30 and the diagonal will be x plus 60. Now in this we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC is x plus 60 and AB is x plus 30 and BC is x. So x plus 60 whole square is equals to x plus 30 whole square plus x square. Now open this two brackets. We'll get x square plus 120x plus 3600, and for this x square plus 60x plus 900. Okay. Further, if you simplify, you will get this quadratic equation. Okay. X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equals to 0. Now, what is product here?
Minus 2700.
Product is minus 2700, right? And what is the sum?
Minus
Minus
60.
60.
Minus 60. So 2700 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 60 होना चाहिए. 90 और 30. क्लियर? सो सम का साइन बड़े नंबर पे और दूसरा वाला ऑपोजिट साइन. सो विल split minus 60 as minus 90 plus 30. Now what is the common between these two?
X.
और ये दोनों में क्या कॉमन है? 30. So we'll take common. Again in this two, x minus 90 is common. So we got two factors. So finally, what is the value of x and x?
90 and minus 30.
Right, 90 and minus 30. Now here minus 30 we have to neglect. Why?
Sir, because side
Because
cannot.
length cannot be
Right.
negative.
Rejecting x is equals to minus 30 as length of side cannot be negative. Hence, the shorter side is 90 meter and the longer side is 90 plus 30, that is 120 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
now seventh question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180 and the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So let the two numbers be x and y, in which y is greater than x. We are assuming y is greater than x. So which is the smaller number? Which is the smaller number here?
X.
X, right? So according to the given condition, the difference of the two numbers, square of two numbers is 180. So y square minus x square is equals to 180. Why we are writing y first? Because y is greater than x. Okay, and smaller number, square of smaller number, that is x square, is 8 times the larger number, 8 into y. So x square is equals to 8y. This is the second condition. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, या तो y के जगह पे हम लोग ये वाला x स्क्वायर बाई 8 सब्सटीट्यूट करो या x स्क्वायर की जगह पे xy सब्सटीट्यूट करके सॉल्व करो. सो वी हैव टू ऑप्शंस. So I am going to select for the simple one x square, substitution of x square as xy. Now shift 180 to this side. We'll get one quadratic equation. Now what is the sum here?
Minus 180.
Minus 180. Product is minus 180 and sum is minus 8. So if product is minus 180, then we have to split minus 180 to two factors such that their difference is 8. So what are the two factors? 18 or 10. So 18 में माइनस लगाना है क्योंकि सम का साइन है और दूसरा वाला ऑपोजिट साइन प्लस 10. So y square minus 18y plus 10y minus 180 is equals to 0. So what is the common between these two?
Y.
इन दोनों में
10.
10. Okay. So y into y minus 18 plus 10 into y minus 18. Now what is the common between these two?
Y minus 18.
Y minus 18 into y plus 10 we will get. So what are the values of y we will get from this?
Minus 10 and 18.
Yes, minus 10 and 18. Now minus 10 we have to neglect. Why? Why we have to neglect minus 10? क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगर minus 10 हम लोग सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे तो x स्क्वायर कितना हो जाएगा?
100.
If you substitute minus 10 here, what you will become? What you will get x square?
Minus 80.
Minus 80. But square of real numbers is always positive. So that is why y is equals to minus 10 is not possible. Because of this value, x square will become negative. So rejecting a y is equals to minus 10 as x square becomes negative. So we'll get y is equals to 18. So substitute y here. यहाँ पे substitute करो y का value. So x square कितना हो जाएगा? 8 into 18. That is 144. So what is the value of x?
12.
We'll write plus minus 12 क्योंकि यहाँ पे x minus हो सकता है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में कहीं नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होना चाहिए या नेचुरल नंबर है. बट y का माइनस 10 इसलिए नहीं होगा क्योंकि उसको सब्सटीट्यूट करने से x स्क्वायर माइनस आ रहा है, which is wrong because square of any real number is always positive. So we are getting two values, 18 12 or 18 minus 12. Any doubt in this step, this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 8. A train travels 360 kilometer. Now this question is important as motorboat question is there, so this question is also important. A train travels 360 kilometer at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for same journey. So if you increase the speed, definitely you will reach early. Okay, so let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. So the distance is given 360. So what is the usual time? The formula for time is distance upon speed. Distance is given 360 kilometer and this is the speed. Okay, so we'll get total distance covered is equals to 360 kilometer. So we'll get total time taken by the train is 360 by x hour. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
speed has been increased. The new speed will be x plus 5. X plus 5 kilometer per hour. So what will be the new time? 360 upon x plus 5. Whether this is clear?
Yes,
अब
sir.
ये दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है वो 1 आवर है, तो किसको पहले लिखोगे? जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है, मैंने पहले बताया, तो किसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है?
360 by x.
Right. So according to the question, your given condition, 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equals to 1. Now you can take 360 कॉमन लेके एलसीएम ले सकते हैं या डायरेक्ट एलसीएम कर लो. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट एलसीएम कर दे रहा हूँ. 360 इंटू एक्स प्लस 5, यू विल गेट 360 एक्स प्लस 1800 minus 360x is equals to x square plus 5x. Okay, and here 360x cancel हो रहा है और minus 1800 को यहाँ shift कर लो. So we'll get equation x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equals to 0. Now what is product here?
minus 1800
Right. And what is the sum?
plus 5.
Plus 5. Now we have to split 1800 into 2 factor such that the difference is 5. Okay, 45 और 40. So sum का साइन हम लोग को बड़े नंबर पे लगाना है, दूसरा वाला ऑपोजिट साइन. So we are going to split plus 5x as plus 45x minus 40x. Now what is the common between these two?
X.
और ये दोनों में
minus 40.
minus 40, right? So we'll take common, and what is the common between these two?
X plus 45.
So final factors we got x minus 40 into x plus 45. So either x minus 40 is equals to 0 or x plus 45 is equals to 0. So what is the final value of x?
Plus 40 or minus 45.
Right, and minus 45 we have to reject. Why?
Speed cannot be negative.
Right.
Time cannot be negative.
Speed, but speed cannot be negative, so rejecting x is equals to minus 45, we get uniform speed of the train is equals to 40 km per hour. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards one of the important question of the last year's board exam. पिछले साल के बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन था ये. 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. So this is written in mixed fraction. So what is the improper fraction for this?
75 by 8.
Right.
By 8.
75 by 8. तो ये याद रखना. Okay. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay. So we'll take time taken by the smaller tap is x hours. So larger tap कितना लेगा? x minus 10 hours. Okay. इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, इसको x लेके इसको x plus 10 भी ले सकते हैं. Okay, you can take in this way also, and this is also correct. Now, what is the 1 hour work by smaller tap? 1 घंटे में कितना भरेगा ये? 1 upon x, और ये वाला 1 घंटे में कितना भरेगा? 1 upon x minus 10. 1 is full. 1 क्या है? Full है. We will take 1 as a full, and this is the fraction. Now, if both will work together, if both the taps work together, then in 1 hour they can fill how much tank? They can fill how much quantity of water in the tank? 1 घंटे में कितना भरेंगे लोग? ये दोनों ऐड कर लो. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन फिल पूरा फुल होने में कितना टाइम लग रहा है?
10 hours.
75 by 8 hours. Okay, so therefore in 75 by 8 hours the tank will be full, that is both, it will be equals to 1. Whether this is clear? ये समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? 1 घंटे में इतना फिल होगा, 2 घंटे में इंटू 2 कर लो, 3 घंटे में इंटू 3 कर लो, एंड इतने टाइम में 75 by 8 में इंटू इतना कर लो, and your tank is full. Full means I told you that you have to take 1 as full. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
So 1
Yes,
by
sir.
8 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equals to 8 by 75. So एक बार मैं जो वीडियो में जो एक्सप्लेन किया था, आई थिंक दिस चैप्टर आई टुक इन ब्लैक बोर्ड, उसमें एक बार देख लेना, दूसरे तरीके से मैं समझाया हूँ. You compare both the methods and which method is easy for you, that you can take up. Okay, ये जो मैं बता रहा हूँ ये दूसरा मेथड है. Now we have to take LCM here. LCM लेना है, तो LCM लोगे तो क्या होगा? ये x minus 10 यहाँ पर जाएगा और x यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. So x minus 10 plus x into x into x minus 10 is equals to 8 upon 75. After that we have to do cross multiplication. So numerator will become 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x is equals to 8 by 75. Now I am doing cross multiplication. So 8x square minus 80x is equals to 150 minus 750. Now shift this to this side. So minus 80 minus 150x, it will become 230x. और ये वाला प्लस हो जाएगा. अभी सबको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं हम लोग. किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? विल डिवाइड इट बाय 2. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट? 4x square minus 115x plus 375 is equals to 0. What is the product here? Product 375 into 4, 1500 plus 1500, and the sum is minus 115. So 1500 का दो फैक्टर जिसका टोटल 115 होना चाहिए, 100 और 15. So both will be negative. So we are going to split minus 115 to minus 100x minus 15x. Now what is the common between these two?
2x.
और ये दोनों में क्या कॉमन है? इसमें 4x कॉमन है, इसमें 15 कॉमन है, minus 15. Okay, so if you take 4x common, you will get x minus 25. If you take minus 15 common, here also will get x minus 25. So x minus 25 is common to both the in both the terms, so we can take common. Finally we'll get two values, that is x is equals to 15 by 4 and x is equals to 25. Pawan, Okay, now this we have to reject. Why? Because this value is less than 10. Less than 10. Otherwise जब -10 हम लोग करेंगे तो नेगेटिव वैल्यू आ जाएगा. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The value of x should be greater than 10. So hence smaller tap can fill in 25 hours and the larger tap can fill in 15 hours. So now we will move towards the 10th question. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometer between Mysore and Bangalore without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. So let the speed of the passenger train is x. So express train का हो जाएगा x plus
X plus
11. Okay, and the distance is given 132 kilometers. So what is the time taken by this one? Time taken by passenger train, distance upon speed.
132 by x.
Right, time taken by express train.
132 by 11. X plus 11.
Right. So we got these two times, one by passenger train and one by express train. And the difference between these two times is 1 hour. Now again you have to write the term in which the denominator is first term in which the denominator is lowest. In which term the denominator is smaller.
132 by x.
Right.
By
So 132 by x को पहले लिखना है. ठीक है, ये तो एक क्लू है. फर्स्ट ये क्लू है कि डेफिनेटली पैसेंजर ट्रेन ज्यादा टाइम लेगा ना. विच वन टेक द टाइम मोर, पैसेंजर ट्रेन और एक्सप्रेस?
Passenger train.
तो इसको पहले
Passenger.
लिखना है. ये एक क्लू है. दूसरा क्लू मैंने कहा कि जिसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है उसको पहले लिखो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन कंडीशन 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 is equals to 1. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, you will get 132x plus 1452 minus 132x is equals to upon x into x plus 11 is equals to 1. Now cross multiplication kar lo. So we will get x square plus 11x is equals to 1452. Now shift this to this side. So we will get finally quadratic equation. Now what is the product here?
Minus
Minus
1400.
14.
Yes, minus 1452. And what is the sum?
Plus 11.
Plus 11.
11.
Okay, so product का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 11 होना चाहिए. So 44, 33. Okay, if you multiply these two, you will get 11. 1452 difference is 11. So यहाँ पे sum का sign लगा दो बड़ा वाला, that is बड़ा number पे plus, and this will be opposite sign minus 33. Now splitting 11x as plus 44x and minus 33x. Now what is the common term between these two?
X.
और ये दोनों में
Minus 33.
राइट. फिर दोनों में x plus 44 कॉमन फैक्टर है. फिर finally we'll get two values of x, that is minus 44 and 33. Again minus 44 we have to neglect as speed can't be negative. Okay, so final answer is speed of the passenger train is 33 km per hour and the speed of the express train is plus 11, that is 44 km per hour. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now this is the last question of today's session and last question of the exercise also. The sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Okay, so I'm going to take the sides of squares is x and y. Okay, and the sum of the areas of these two squares. What is the area of this square?
X square.
X square.
What about this one?
Y square.
X
So
square.
x square plus y square is equals to 468 meters square. This is the first equation. and second one, the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter. So I am taking x is greater than y. ठीक है, मैं x को बड़ा ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है. तो 4x माइनस 4y इज इक्वल टू 24. सबको 4 से डिवाइड करो, कितना मिलेगा?
X minus y is equal to 3.
6. Okay, so let it be equation number 2. Now what you can take y from here? यहाँ से y क्या मिलेगा?
X minus 6.
Right, x minus 6. So this x minus 6 you can substitute here, or you can substitute x is equals to y plus 6. It is up to you. Okay, so I am going to substitute y is equals to x minus 6. Whether this substitution is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now expand this one. X square minus 12x plus 36. Okay, so this x square will become 2x square, और 468 को इधर शिफ्ट करो तो माइनस 468 हो जाएगा. So 36 minus 468, you have to simplify. So we'll get minus 432. सबको 2 से डिवाइड करो जल्दी.
x square minus 6x minus 216.
6. Right, 216. Now what is the product here?
minus
Minus
216.
216.
Right, what is the sum?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. Now 216 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 6 होना चाहिए. टू 116 का दो फैक्टर 216 36 इंटू 6 होता है. 36 9 इंटू 4 होता है. 3 3 2 2 3 2. अब देखो जल्दी करो, ये देखो 18
18. 6.
12. Okay, so 18 12. So सम का जो साइन है बड़े नंबर पे और दूसरा ऑपोजिट साइन. So minus 18 plus 12. So we are substituting minus 6x as minus 18 plus 12. Okay, what is the common between these two?
X
और इसमें क्या कॉमन है?
12.
12.
Okay, so we'll take x common from here and 12 common from here. दोनों में x minus 18 common है. So we got two values of x, that is x is equals to 18 and x is equals to minus 12. Again this we have to neglect. Why?
Side of a square cannot be negative.
Right, side of the square cannot be negative, so rejecting x is equals to minus 12, we'll get x is equals to 12, and we substitute x is equals to 12 in equation 2 here. So we'll get y is equals to x is equals to 18, यहाँ पे substitute करेंगे तो y is equals to 12 मिल जाएगा. Hence the sides of the two squares are 18 meter and 12 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so this was the last question, and now we are moving towards the assignment questions. Only 4 questions are there. All are board questions. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.